Hi guys, I thought I'd show you something real quick that I was just looking into. This is a thing for doing the chaos use cases. So out on the web, I found a article that was related to setting up Chaos Monkey for Spring Boot apps. Essentially, it's kind of inspired by the Netflix work, and what it allows you to do is kind of add in a library that that will perform sort of various assaults on your Spring Boot app. So the nice thing about it is you don't have to make code changes, and you can do various configurations of the types of chaos assaults that you want to do. So I'll make this really quick, and then we can talk more about it. So essentially, there is a simple Spring Boot app. I'm going to go ahead and start it here. And basically, if you notice, I have a Spring profile that is built into the jar file of the application to activate it. So you can see here, it's introduced the Chaos Monkey, which is their add-in. And so now I have my Tomcat instance running here on 8093. What I did as well is I just built a simple JMeter script that's going to hit this application. I can just run it real quick to show you what it looks like. And what will happen here is it runs a get customer request. The response data is just going to come back with some JSON data. So that's the application itself. The way Chaos Monkey is configured within the code is, let me just pull up the source code here real quick. This sample app had a number of different services. I just took one of them. And so what we're going to look at here is in the resources configuration, there is certain sections specific to this kind of add-in. So the Chaos Monkey is, you can enable it or disable it. There are basically three types of assaults. There's a latency assault, which kind of introduces response time delays. There's an exception, which will control generate a 500 response code, and then also there's a kill the whole container or the application jar in this case. You could do that. So then this level is a range of numbers between 1 and 10,000. So it's really your frequency of an assault. So a 5 would mean 1 in 5 request would cause a problem. 100 would be 1 in 100. So that way you can configure, the percentage of problems. So in this case, I currently have latency active, exceptions active, and kill applications active false, just as the baseline. So the way I've kind of got this set up is just a really simple JMeter script. And what we'll do here is